Checking in from Greece, testing 1, 2, 3. So here's a quick update. My name's Hayden. If you don't know who I am, I sold a brand for 6 figures recently. I've been selling on e-commerce for many, many years. I own an advertising agency called ClickFox, and I'm currently building a new skincare brand, and we are going to be launching it in the UK and Europe very soon. So there's been some updates. So in the last video, I explained that we were getting trademarks, figuring out names and stuff like that, and we've had some progress on that. So we've now not only applied for the trademark, but we've got the trademarks. Okay, obviously assuming it goes past the 3-month probation period, whatever it's called, we've got all the trademarks in many different things. Did it all professionally with lawyers, did it all properly. We're doing this brand really properly, so that's good. So it's good progress there. On top of that, we've had some really interesting meetings, or a meeting with the sourcing agent who's actually sold a brand for, he's like had 7-8 figure brands himself in the same kind of niche that we're in, and we've had some meetings with him, and he is sorting us out. He's essentially our sourcing agent, but a top tier one, sort of some guy that's sort of semi-retired, got his big estate, and he's happy to help us out for what I think is a really fair fee. So yeah, I was sitting on the meeting the other day with a couple of real big hitters. Some guy that sold a brand for I think something like 8 figures, and another guy that sold one for 7 figures, and we're all coming together on this project. And yeah, it's gonna be something really special. So yeah, in that meeting we discussed things, minimum order quantities. I had to confirm that, with this sort of stuff, confirm that the price that he gave us was going to be not just an estimate, but a guaranteed price. So I had to make sure that there was no loose ends around that sort of stuff. So that this is the week, unless something comes up. Got another meeting in a minute. This is the week that we pull the trigger and do the first order. And I thought we were looking at around about 6,000 as a minimum order quantity. We're looking at about 5,000 now, hopefully. That doesn't mean that we can get the packaging printed. I mean, it's an aerosol spray, our first product, which is a very niche, very hard to do product with all the compliance that comes with it. But also that gives us a barrier around our business, a moat around our business, if you like. So I'm in Greece at the moment, so you can hear the chickens. So we can't get the colouring, we can't get the cans printed, but what we can get is the labels that still look like printed cans. So the meeting in a minute is with my strategic advisor who's helping us with this brand. And after that, we should be at a stage where, we pull the trigger this week. So that's the logo done. It's the branding pretty much done, apart from we're going to pay someone to just really knuckle down, crack down all the colour schemes and the branding alignment and stuff like that. And then we're also going to make sure this week that we get the first order placed. We've got the trademarks and everything like that. And then the next stage, I assume, we're going to confirm it on this meeting, should be where we need to get the website sorted and everything like that. And then obviously once that's all done, we're going to be at a stage where, we can start getting things ready for TikTok Shop and Amazon and everything like that. So yeah, it's an exciting one. It's gonna all come together very, very soon, I believe. And it's one of the things where we're just doing it really, really properly. I'm out here in Greece at the moment. Sorry, loud motorbike. I'm out here in Greece at the moment, just really getting some focus time on obviously my agency, but this as well. Doing it properly. It takes a long time to build an e-commerce brand properly, and I've never done it properly. I don't think I've never got to a stage where I've done a real private label brand, launched it on all platforms, a high quality product that is from a serious supplier, and made sure the branding is on point. I've never done it properly, so I'm really excited to do this properly. And I think by the next video, the first order should be in, and we should be rocking and rolling. And soon I'm going to announce the brand name and everything like that. So I hope you're all well. Keep yourself subscribed so you see the updates of this brand. I'm doing it from the start because I wish someone did it from the start so that I could watch all their videos and just really have confidence that this thing is possible. So I'll see you soon.